Welcome to ReviewMobile, your go-to source for the latest in mobile tech. Today, we're diving into Samsung's newest flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. With its powerful performance, refined design, and groundbreaking camera upgrades, the S26 Ultra is here to redefine what we expect from a smartphone in 2025. Design and display. Samsung continues its legacy of sleek design with the S26 Ultra. It features a slightly slimmer frame with a more ergonomic grip, maintaining the iconic squared edges. The front boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, now with an upgraded QHD+ resolution and a peak brightness of 3200 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility. The 144 Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming performance. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. Backed by 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage, it delivers flawless multitasking and blazing fast app loading. The 5500 mAh battery paired with 65W fast charging and wireless reverse charging makes all-day usage a breeze. Camera system. Samsung has taken mobile photography to new heights. The S26 Ultra sports a quad-camera setup headlined by a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto with up to 10x optical zoom, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a dedicated depth sensor. Nightography has been significantly improved, and video capture now supports 8K at 60 fps with eye-powered stabilization. Software and features. Running on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, the Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces refined animations, better battery optimization, and new AI features like Live Translate, Auto Summarize, and Smart Object Eraser. Samsung's commitment to 7 years of updates ensures longevity and value. Conclusion. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just another flagship, it's a statement. With unmatched hardware, cutting-edge software, and a focus on longevity, it stands tall as one of the most complete smartphones of the year. Stay tuned to ReviewMobile for more in-depth comparisons and hands-on tests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert mobile reviews.